Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the process of tracking software development sprints on Asana, the complete 2025 guide. To start off, you'll want to create a new project for your sprint. Simply click on the plus button on the top bar and select New Project. This is where you'll house all tasks related to your sprint. This step is crucial as it helps to keep all sprint-related activities in one dedicated place for easy tracking. Next up, let's set up your sprint backlog. Now in your newly created project, add tasks that represent your backlog items. You can easily do this by clicking the Add Task button. The reason we do this is to have a clear view of what needs to be done in the sprint and prioritize accordingly. Now that we've done that, let's move on to assigning tasks to team members. Click on each task, add a due date, and assign it to a team member. This way, everyone knows what they're responsible for and when it's due. This helps us because it ensures accountability and aids in preventing any task from falling through the cracks. Let me explain why this next step matters. Tracking progress. Asana allows you to visualize progress using boards. Click on the board view at the top of your project. Now, you'll see your tasks arranged in columns. Simply drag and drop tasks between columns as they progress from to do to in progress and finally done. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is dynamically updating your sprint's progress, giving you an overview at a glance. Finally, don't forget to conduct daily stand-ups with your team. Use Asana's status update feature to keep everyone informed about the sprint's progress. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone is on the same page and to address any obstacles in real time. And there you have it. You're now equipped to effectively software development sprints on Asana. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, clear, and visible to all team members. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next guide.